Welcome back, viewers. The leader of Tur or Kathma Urangli Juki, Angela Rangat, had once again made her stand for the labourers and irregular employees of the state by protesting against the MDA government at the entry to the Meghalaya Secretariat. During the protest, Angela Rangat had spoken to the media to inform that the reason for her taking this step is because, as far as financial help is concerned, the MDA government has not yet been able to fulfill its promises to the marginalized section of the society, particularly the unorganized laborers like taxi drivers, house helpers and construction workers. Rangat also informed that the source of the proposed financial assistance is the Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board, which has been constituted by the central government to look into matters like safety, health and welfare measures of the workers. It was also informed that till date, none of the registered and listed beneficiaries have received their dues.
Jadi kan kenal kami ka BOCW ka babun kisah ha. Daki pokror na markisim kisah na kini construction. Maka sarkar ganili ka persang buri ba yakani kisah na do mensa-mensa. Kam ju pensuru ya ki labor ban register. Warna ka taru ka ong ya kitu ki bala register. Hak ban kinyo ay takasan saja. Kung ka dingkersan no. So. Hadian ka tu kami benai. Niya dingkep na ki para lag ni hata kiyo akisa na ene kini ka. Dingkersan bakular ka sarkar. Bun na kisi ang em. Tingi file sa RTI. Bag ni Shem, ya kitin tip pati aja seng si Breo, bakat no kiyo. Banyak kan ni sok yang pagba. Lingba ka social media, lingba sila pasai kupor. Nyai ki pagba sa topik ki keteng ka ki don em hang ni, ki kita pala apply. But sa phone sangi ka pentit sangi bangin duk tip mo. Dia pun nak pagba ki pun, yang kita kita apply tu kimla ka keteng ka ki harus kalis. Sibayo iya ka kertanya jong ki hat kalis pada bon na ki ang kaniya ne kapisa. Alang kung basukak papendang kambaklay hat keteng ki. Babuk ka kapisa persa ka keteng ki, hindi kapisa ka point sa account ki.